There we go. That looks like it went through this time. All right, so let's see CLRB. We're going to watch SDOT because, it could just be fucking with us. That's literally it. But this big sell-off here, that's right before 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so it's a little fishy. But it broke volume weighted average price. Technically, I should have just gotten out there. But I wanted to go ahead with what my thought process, my risk management there was. And yeah, it's sure it screwed me. But what are you going to do? That's what happens when you stop paying attention and fall asleep. Oh well. Too bad, so sad. All right, there's a little gap there. That's what we're talking about right there. There's a little gap right up here at 739. We just put that at 738. Let's see here. All right, so that's pretty good. That's a pretty good thing to see there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wait and see where this thing goes. It's below volume weighted average price currently. Volume's pumping, float's good. I'm gonna wait for VWAP reclaim. I'm gonna buy a couple shares. Let's see, it's $6 right now, so $5. Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna do it. All right, we're in at volume weighted average price. And we're gonna see if it can get back up to right over here. And we're gonna go ahead and put $50 or 50 shares there to sell. Oh, it's turning around on me. Man, my luck is just not working out today, huh? Wow, look at that. Straight up jacked me. We'll see if it comes back. But yeah, that looked pretty solid. I don't know why it decided just to turn around like that real quick. MACD's on the way down, looking like it wants to flip. Oversubscribed financing up to 140. Okay. Man, oh man. The luck is not with me today. That's for sure. So far, this one's not looking so hot. The level 2's looking all funky. There's a little bit of a bid wall there at 555, 550. A little bit. Not a whole lot. We'll see if this thing wants to turn back around here. Get my sell at there. 740, 739. Back where that little gap is. That's a good sign. A nice little hammer candle there. That's good. Nice little hammer. Perfect. Above VWAP. Come on, get back above it. The hammers are good. Hammer means it's a reversal. This is a downtrend. This is a reversal candle. And let's see what it does. Let's see. Is it going to get 740? Need a confirmation candle there. This thing's not doing it yet. But that is a hammer candle. That's what we want to see. And it's off of support. That's right there. That's about support 549. So now you just got to get up here. So far, so good there. It's trying to turn around. Nope. This is a 1 minute chart. So the 1 minute chart's kind of, it's a little scarier looking than like a 5 minute chart. Just needs to get back above volume weighted average price. We need the bids to stack, not the ask. The ask has some stacks: 621, 647, 650. We got some walls there. 3,400. There we go. Come on now. Push, push, push. All right. Yeah, at 647, we got about 8,000 shares sitting there on the ask. Come on, baby, push. There it is. Come on, break on through now. Let's get that first target. Stay above VWAP. So first target's this this little line right here. Second target's, God man, why is my screen doing that? Stop it. I hate when it locks up like this. I think it's Weeble's way of fucking with me. There we go. There we go. Unlocked. Okay, good. So that's the first target there. Second target on this one, we're probably going to look about 818. 817. We'll go there. And then after that one, if it wants to push, it's got to stay above volume weighted average price. This thing's not, that's shitty that it's coming down. But we'll see. Next one after that's going to be about 882. These are the targets. These are not predictions. This is nothing else but just entertainment. Entertainment, information, that's it. I got to get more sleep. This is ridiculous. All right, what are we looking at here? I see you guys writing stuff. Ouchie, morning, everyone. Cree, what's up, Cree? Good morning, Mitchell. The Crusher is here. Maybe if we get SDOT off the screen, maybe that'll make things move a little better. Let's see what else we got. Just keep looking. Yeah, it seems like a lot of things today are just pumpy dumpy. Pumpy dumpy. So you like to see this kind of thing right here. You like to see a hammer from a downtrend off support. You like to see some confirmation. Didn't really get a whole lot of confirmation here. These are kind of showing you two things. It's got top wick right there. So that's showing you that the bulls are getting pushed back down. All right. Over here, you got pushed back down. Bulls trying, bears pushing back down. If this thing becomes a nice big green candle, meaning engulfing these three candles, then you got a little 3-line strike. That 3-line strike is a good bullish thing. And bullish usually means going up. This one, unfortunately, is not. It's not playing ball. It's kind of looking like it's doing that pattern that we don't like. The pattern that we don't like is this one right here. It's when it goes up, goes down, goes up, and then it goes down. That's usually the pattern we don't like. So it's hard to tell sometimes because you got that, and then you can have it come down here and then come back up. And then what you got yourself is a little double bottom, little W. The shit part about that is you don't know it before it's too late. You know, you can watch the tape, you can watch everything, give yourself as much possibility of catching a good runner. It's not a double hammer. There's a hammer here. The one next to it's not a hammer. This is not a hammer. That is a doji, a weird looking one. Yeah, so it's got to break through volume weighted average price. Once it breaks through that, it has to break through that, or else this thing's just going to come back down. That's your resistance right now, is about 650. That's the resistance. Party like a rock. Yep, that's right, sir. This crap right here. Get this out of here. Man. All right, let's change that one. Actually, let's put it on something else here. SDOT, the song's for you. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning. Yeah. I mean, technically, to be safe, I'd say if it breaks 588, just be done with it. And it just did. So there it goes. Man, oh man. Today looks like it's going to be one of them days. Just got to scale back. Down $100 now with SDOT and this one right now. Total down $100. That's all right. Let's see if we're gonna find something that can actually hold. Oh, what is this? A 1 minute? Let's take a look at a 5 real quick. All right, so you got a doji continuation. Let's do this. Let's do some trend lines. Let's just let's kill it with kindness, I guess. Shit. Whoa. I might not even have to do anything. This thing's done. She done. Okay, she's done. She's completely fucking done. There we go. Get the fuck out of it. That is a horrible stock. That is horrible. That thing just took a dump. Like I said, we hate that pattern. That pattern shit. God damn. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Not a good way to start. Not a good way to start. What the fuck was that all about? Somebody tell me what the fuck that was about. Anybody? Fucking CLRB. Selectar Biosciences. Yeah. Fucking dumpster. Then keep walking. Yeah, that sucks. Down $135. Fucking horseshit. I might just wait. I might just wait till market open because a lot of this shit is just fake crap. Liquidity. Liquidity. I was just liquidity for SDOT and SOWG. SDOT was my problem. Or and CLRB, sorry. And keep walking. And keep walking. Oh, I'm not liking any of it. I'm not liking any of it right now. I can't hide myself. Gotta find the pumps before they dump. It's true. It's very true. Good point there, Harley. There'll be others. Don't worry. There's others. And they don't care about what you know. It's not about how you feel, what you provide inside that home. Yeah, I know this life can really beat you down.
You wanna scream, but you won't make a sound. Got so much weight that you've been holding, but won't show any emotion. As a man that goes unspoken, now we can't cry when life gets hard. But unconditional love for women, children, and dogs. We know that we just have to play our parts and don't
All
nobody
right, doing
get to
some
live
customer
our
service right now. Hang on a sec.
we gotta pay
Uh,
our only function is to work and slave. There's no respect for you if you
yeah,
ain't
I wouldn't mess around with anything right now.
you can't come
Right now, it's just all kind of jacked.
and actually reach that place and find a woman that you love and give her your last name. You'll feel the things that you provide is only why she stays. And when you try to explain, you'll say I can't hide.
Hmm.
I don't expect you to understand. I just hope I can explain what it's like to be a man. It's a lonely road.
Let's see. Let me do this.
It's not about how you feel, what you provide
Yep.
inside.
Yep. I'm watching the tape on this stuff, and it all looks bad.
As a
The
man,
tape on all this stuff looks bad right now. It's a Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, but there's no tacos. Thanks, Mitchell. Thanks for the Derby Rose. Gonzo, thanks for the heart me. Appreciate it. Man, Mitchell, you fired off a bunch of stuff there, buddy. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is just garbage. Look, this thing's gonna come all the way back down to here. It's at 34 cents. Maybe even lower. Little doji there off of a downtrend. Yeah, they're dumping way too fast. Way too fast. So I'm gonna take a little break, a little snooze. That's two in a row I lost money on. I'm not gonna carry that into another one just yet. So that's something you guys need to figure out too, is your risk management. You got to figure that out. That's on you. Yeah, I was doing some customer service here, and
you heard that free. You may wonder, I can promise you this love I feel for you always will be. You're not just child I care. I know I'll do those guys as sure as I live. This love is gonna be yours until
all right, there we go. Okay, sorry guys, back to it. Hey, yeah, happy Cinco de Mayo. Yep. It's Mexican Food Day. Oh God, yes. Let's find something. Let's find something. We can't start Cinco de Mayo like that. No way. That's just ridiculous. But if you look across the chart, look across the chart. Look at BDRX. Look what it did. Look what it did. I mean, would you touch anything right now? I caught this one early, but like I said, I kind of took a nap. Look at this. So that's BDRX. Look at Mask. Look at Mask. Here's Mask. Look what Mask did. Bloop, bloop. Same. Same shit. Pump, dump, nothing. Look at this one. ARBB. Pump, dump, nothing. Okay, here's something interesting. TLIH. TLIH. What is it doing? TLIH. Let's see. What's the news? Any news? Is it liquidate only? Nope, nothing new today. Nothing I see yet. This is a 1 minute. There's nothing new. All right, let me run a little scan on it here. We gotta change this shit too. I need something a little bit more something better. Here. Sorry. I feel like this right now, so we're gonna listen to this. Oh, look at that. What is this? Eligible for recommendation restricted because it primarily directs people. No, it doesn't. Again, I got a restriction for directing people off the and no, I didn't. I did not direct anybody off that. So, yep. Let's just go ahead and submit that appeal, and TikTok is just being ridiculous again. Again, I'm just gonna stop them. I'm just gonna stop using them. That's just what's gonna have to happen. Because TikTok's just being ridiculous. And it is super annoying. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna go ahead and run some stuff on TLIH. Current price 519. Oh, you said split. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna stick to it as much as I can, not to get into this stuff, not to get into any of it right now. WAI. We played this one before. If I remember correctly. I mean the lines were on the chart, so we did play this one before. Where's volume weighted average price? Jumping around, 230, 68. Okay. Man, I can't believe I'm freaking 2 for 2 today. Ugh. It's nasty. Right off the bat. Bleh. Why is this crap still on? Let's put something else on the left side here. No, DGXX. Stair steps up. DGXX, 62 million floats, done 247,000 so far. 2.04 million shares traded. This is a 5-minute chart. Look at that. For the past few days, it's just been working its way up. It's good. That's nice. Is there a gap? A gap we can look forward to? $453. Here's your target. Whoopsies. Wrong one. There's your first target on this beast. Got to continue the momentum though. The volume has to keep on building. I don't think I'd play with this until the volume gets over at least a million. Currently, it's only at 316,000. You guys seeing all this crap? I'm telling you. Hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, guys. We're just chilling right now, not wanting to pull the trigger on anything just because it's been such a tricky market this morning. It has been very tricky. Here's your first target. No, see, I was thinking of jumping in right there. I don't know, man. Just not feeling that. I'm not feeling a lot of things. Not feeling a lot of things right now. Nope. Yep, I'm gun shy after those two. Yeah, just not feeling it. You gotta know your risk. You gotta know your risk. You gotta just be able to say, all right, you know what? Hey, I've been not doing so hot. Those two trades done. All right. What did I do wrong? Well, first one I fell asleep. Second one I just didn't obey my first cut. I didn't obey it. Looks like DGXX had a S3 April 9th. Let's see. So they got a fresh shelf. Uh, that's right. That's right, Risky. That's right. Remember to tap, 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 taparoo. And look at that. My appeal's approved. Gee, go figure. Which one of the haters in here did that? There had to be a hater in here. Thanks, Gonzo. Thanks for the roses. Thanks for the hearts, me. Let's just keep on searching. Oh, I'm looking. Sorry, it was me. LOL. Ha ha ha. Funny guy, funny guy. See? Told you I didn't trust it. Look at that. WAI. Didn't trust it. That is the name of the game today until market opens. Is just be very cautious with your money. Look at TLIH. What did I tell you? Same thing. Oh man. Stay out of stocks. Stay out of the stocks right now, guys. This is a little bit different than yesterday. The market's a little different. I would definitely be a little bit more cautious. This is SHLS, bigger float. It's only done 144,000 in trading, but it's up $1.78. It does have some catalyst. What is the catalyst? Shoals Technology Q1B estimates despite higher costs. Oh, okay. Let's see. What do we got here? Let's read it. What is the news? It's a good song. I just don't feel like it right now. Do a little bit more crazy stuff. This is how I'm feeling today, guys. I am sleepy as heck. I don't know. Maybe I ate too late last night or something. All right, let's check it out. What do we got? Look at that. Again, another one. Another one that just pumps and dumped real quick. Dumped a whole dollar there. It came back a little bit, but it's only 162,000 shares on it. So average volume on it's 5.42 million. Floats really high, 166 million. All right, what does this one say? This one here. We did an 8K corporate. Okay, 8K just now or today. It's gonna be what else do they have? All right, let's see where it can go. I'm having a hard time trusting these things today, guys. Really am. Almost to the target. Well, it gets there. I'll be very surprised because there we go. There's some gaps here. So 1013. It's sitting in a gap. The next gap's 1085 on SHLS. Yep. So there's your target on SHLS. SDOT decided to come back a little bit to 46 cents. All right, there is the first target on DGXX. It hit frickin' 3 cents below my target there. 3 cents. Next target after this one, you're probably going to be looking a little bit up, like right around there. There's TP2, TP3 right over here. If it should so want to hit it. God dang. Weeble's having some issues. And there you go. My first target's hit. My second target's en route. So there's the first target. There you go. Let's see if we can get that second target. Second target's 597, not 98. There you go. 597. Third target's 632. Let's see what happens after TP1 here. Remember, guys, when I put out targets, TP1 is always king. The target. What is up here? We got 36 people in here. Ah, interesting. 36 are the ones that matter. Ah. CLRB. See, look, isn't it good I cut my loss when I did? Because look, that would have cost me some more money. This is doing the stair steps down. Stair steps down. You got the start of the stairs. There you go. There you go. So you got 1, 2, 3 stairs down. It is literally at its last spot before it goes down there. That's how they get you. They got you hoping. It just broke it. It just broke that it just broke that support. Look at that. Oh. Oh man. Oh, yesterday was great. Freaking crushed it. Today I gave some back. It's okay. I've been green now for 4 days. I guess a red day is inevitable. Let's see here. But it's still really early, so yeah, whatever. I still got plenty of cash to play with, so a lot of people don't understand this is what you got to do. You get in a bad way, you gotta take a step back. You gotta take a step back. Gotta relax for a minute. It's not a race. GG. GG. Look at that. We got the second target. Boom. Shakalaka. Second target hit. Let's see. Third target coming in. 632. There's 621. Come on. Wow, DG Power X signs 10-year, 1.1 billion AI data center co-location with deal with Cerebras. That is good news. That is good news. That just happened. That news just popped out. 17 minutes ago. So first pullback, second pullback, little micro pullbacks. So now if you're interested in getting into this is a different story now than what it was before. Let's see if I can find some other targets here. Man, 655. Boom, shakalaka. Dang. 62 million float. Sorry, you guys don't want to listen to Polish music, do you? Let's find something else here for you. 690 on this beast. Jesus.
We only get one life, one shot.
All right, let's go with 753 next. 752 next. All right, we'll put that there. We'll go ahead and put that as, we'll do that one there. Is it going to pull back a little bit here for us, or is it going to keep on going? Where's this pullback going to go down to? Looks like the level 2 is trying to reset at 613. It's gonna drop. Yeah. Hey, Maddox. That's nice, man. Hey, you know what you can do? You can be blocked. Thanks, Maddox. Hey guys, that is the fastest way to get muted and kicked out of the live. Trying to pitch your garbage. Oh, Maddox. Oh gosh. His whole 873 followers. Oh, spilling crypto insights. Ah, I got it. I got it. Yep. Okay. All right. You guys know what I think about crypto, right? It's on the screen. Cree, where you at? That's funny. Harley, yay, Polish music, my favorite. All right, let's see. Is this going to recover now? Let's draw some trend lines. Let's see what we got here. Let's take this all the way back. Let's go 2 hour time chart. Time frame time chart. Jesus, Jarek. You can tell I'm tired. Steady uptrend. Uh-huh. 678.
So make it count.
There she is. Look at that. Look at how did I remember that? Oh, you guys don't want this one either. Damn it. Come on now. Not a bad little recovery there. Of course. Fucker. What a little fucker. Did you guys see that? I tried to buy in and it made me chase it. It made me chase it. See, that's where emotion stepped in. My animal instinct kicked in and it made me chase it. It did. That was animal instinct. It shot up and I just moved my shit up way too high. Now I'm in at 675. That's horrible. Oh, that's what happens. That's what happens. You need to not be sleepy. You need to not be tired. This is just horrible right now. That was really bad. That was really bad. That's not how you're supposed to trade at all. Horrible, horrible, horrible move. If I paid for it, that's my fault. It's my fault. Wow. Let's see if it pays off. Let's see if I can make some of that cash shoulder back. Oh, that's all it'd give me. Yeah, that's weak. Only bought 30 shares. That's right. Oh, I'm too tired for this shit today. See, that's what I get. That's what I get for chasing. That's what I get for chasing. That is exactly what I was talking about. Oh, God. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Yeesh. Is that when you go on vacation? Stop trading until markets open. Yeah, horrible start. You're right. You're right. And there we go. Okay, so now I have 50 shares. Okay, good. Do, 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 do.
I love the first cast when the water's glass and the line starts to run. But that first sip of a cold beer when the working week's done. I love the twilight in the morning for the day wakes up.
I don't think this thing's done. I think when market opens, I think this thing can rip. With the news that it has, it's pretty good news. If it's real. If it's real, let's check. Oh yeah, that's right. I already checked. That's right. Agreement with leading AI compute company for 40 megawatt data center in Columbiana, Alabama. Not bad. Data centers are like that's up there for good stuff. So we'll see. This was now posted 26 minutes ago. So let's see what it comes up with here. The only thing better is heaven above. But until I get there, I'll never get all right, so this is not bad. As long as it doesn't triple top us. Float's too big to really do any halting unless that volume just really comes in when market opens. All right, make some of those losses back right here a little bit. Let's see 731. Now, we did find that gap at 731. That gap goes all the way to 752. So we'll see if it happens. Yeah, there you go. Triple topped. 1, 2, 3. And now back down to red again. We're doing pretty good today. Oh, it's no touchy Tuesday. Yep. I had such a great past few days. I think I got overzealous. I think. Oh gosh, more Polish music. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. All right, 2 minutes before I go to the Discord, if you guys are interested in following me along, going to the Discord, here is how you do it. Here is the Discord live trading room. There you go. Right now, it's $39.99. Full access is $59.99. Watch list is $19.99. If you guys want to come on over, this is what you do. This or full access. Full access. Yeah, you guys get to see all my trades. All my trades live, which is what just happened here. All right, so we went from green to red, and as long as it stays above volume weighted average price, I'm not worried. Actually, I might even pick up some more shares right here. I might. Let's go with 20 more. Boom. Why not? Look at this. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Did you say full asses? I might have. I don't know. All right, guys, I'm going over to the Discord. Have a great day. Thanks for watching me lose money. Peace out. Ah. All right, let's see. Thank you, Night Owl, for hanging out. Double down. Thanks for hanging out, man. I'm going over to the Discord now.